Hey guys, this is Techie Griffin, and in today's video we'll take another look at a bot called Pixel. I've made a couple of other videos in the past, but in today's video we're going to be looking at a secret feature that it has that allows you to use the bot for something that it was not meant originally to be used for. This is, of course, all goes back to the ping roles, or alert roles as they call it. These also are meant to be pinged when a video is released and then announced on your Discord server, and that specific role is pinged. And the secret feature is that you can actually ping two different roles for two or more different notifiers or setups or channels. But the bot, by default, is not meant to ping different roles. You can set up like one channel with one role, another with another, and so on, but through this little hack here, you can actually set it up, but it's not like a default functionality. But I do hope they actually make it a thing in the future, just like they did with custom messages for the YouTube video announcements and welcome messages as well. Now let's quickly take a look at it. So I will open Discord on browser. I can't use / commands on my app, so I'm going to be using them on the web version of Discord on my mobile device. And the trick is that you ping the role, put the actual ping role into the message, the custom message, which I will show you in a moment when my Discord decides to load up. Yeah. But by default, Pixel can't ping separate roles for separate channels and notifications. It'll ping just one role for all of them. But with this custom message thing, it's kind of a hacky way to actually bypass that and make it so that mentions are separate for each channel. Like for one channel it's like pings, for another it's like upload pings, for another channel it could be announcements, etc. So that's pretty cool how to do that. Right, my Discord is loading up slowly. And let's head into my server. By the way, guys, please join this server that I'm about to show you. On top, put white and blue. This is the server that I'm now on, and please join it. It's my YouTube server for this and my other channel. So yeah, and Mira is my Discord account, my new Discord account. I discontinued my old one due to some drama and negativity. So, how to do this? Role setup. Type /setup and select Pixel and send. By the way, my keyboard has a nice wallpaper of my OC Blazing Dash, which is a Pony Alicorn OC, gifted to me by my friend Matthew Smith from Facebook. He and I have been best friends and bros since 2015, August. And our friendship has gone through quite a lot of stuff. Now, back to the video. Select custom message. And then you can select from these three options. Select upload. So yeah. Now, once you have selected upload, click edit. And now you can type out your message. Shit, what happened? So, you can type hey at Taking Griffin uploads channel, I guess. Name. Then insert variable name. Name has released a new video. Go check it out here. And insert variable URL in square brackets. Now with that done, you pretty much are done, but I like to make this message a bit more personal, adding. So I will add a blue YouTube button and this cute little wampus holding a heart like that, and then send the message. And from now on, this will ping separate this role for my uploads from this channel, Techie Griffin. My Griffin Games channel will have another ping, which is Griffin Games video uploads ping or something like that. And that ping will be only ping for that channel uploads through this custom message that you can set for the server for your channel on Pixelbot. Now, if you'd want to set up the message like this, the separate pings like this, by typing in setup, selecting Pixel, and sending this, then afterwards selecting alert role. Then, so it's kind of laggy here. Sorry about that. So ping role, selecting ping role, and then if you click edit. Now, if you click edit and then mention the new role, see this current ping role is Griffin Games upload pings. This role will be replaced with the other role that you mentioned, so they won't list the second role as well. So this isn't a possibility, and I kind of mixed up there when I was talking on support server, Pixel support server earlier. I thought that it was possible, and because I did this similar thing with another bot. I think it was either ZBot or Sapphire, or maybe one or the other that I know of. But since I did it on those bots, I kind of mixed them all up and thought it was possible with this, but it is sort of possible through the custom message, like I showed you earlier. You can do that. And right now I can't show you the output of the message to show how it looks like, but thing is, it should work. So yeah, I'll be right back. So yeah guys, I'm back, and now I'm gonna just finish up this video. So this message down here, the 3, except for the Mi 6 one, I was trying to kind of customize my message a little more, because I felt that the other one wasn't customized enough, but I've been having a hard time with that on the web version of the Discord, so I came to the app now to finish it up. But anyways, thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video. But before I go, a little announcement. Both of my channels have changed their appearance, branding, and everything else. As you know, I had 2 different servers, one per channel, but those servers will be discontinued by the end of the week. And this new server this one right here, called Techie Griffin's Discord. This one right here. Oops, I dropped it in there. This one's gonna be the new one, but these blue ones, like this one for example, this one, and this one, these are the old ones, and they will be completely terminated in the next few days. So, if you guys are on any of these servers, please vacate those servers and jump onto the new one. The links are posted on the old servers as well in announcements channels. So check that out, and with that said, enjoy the video, enjoy my content, and see you in the next one.